it's May and today we're at the hair salon. So this is actually from August, but we're going to act like this is fresh, and so I'm going to talk in present tense. So here we are. This is Miss Carrie Waller. She is in the St. Louis area, which is where I'm from. I met her 3.5 years ago when I was looking for someone to cut my hair while it was still curly. I did not want to straighten my hair anymore because I had had some damage from getting a relaxer unintentionally or unknowingly, and I was like, okay, I need someone to cut my hair curly, which is when Diva Curl haircuts and stuff like that was out, and I found her on their website in my area, and looking at all the reviews, I was like, okay, she's the one I want to go with. When I came in, I asked her to preserve my length. I have been growing my hair out for a while, and my hair has grown a lot since she first cut it, but I just want to have long, healthy hair. And my hair is actually quite long. She did not have to cut that much, but as you can see, she is going curl by curl, cutting the dead ends and then making sure that the shape matches and is a nice round shape. Do you see how beautiful this shape is? I love it so much. I picked this 3 years ago because I just wanted something new. I had rocked the side part for a long time and I wanted to try out bangs, and I will never go back because this is just so beautiful. And as my hair grows, my bangs will still be there. As you can see, she did not cut off much hair at all. This is her socials if you want to check her out. This is my favorite part of getting my hair done: washing. So right now she's putting a detox mask on my hair. She said do it about once a month, and then it helps with absorption of like the moisture with your conditioner or deep conditioner. So this is my first time having one. Yeah. It's like charcoal, right?
Yep. Shea butter, charcoal based, and apple cider vinegar as well. Let's work that through. It'll get rid of any product buildup, minerals, environmental buildup, anything like that it gets rid of.
And it has like a mint tea. So.
Yep, it's peppermint, mainly peppermint, but tea tree also, so it helps. It's got antimicrobial properties for the scalp.
As you can see, we are doing 2 different pre-poo treatments. I am in love with it, and just my hair getting all of this love. Right here, she's making sure to part and smear with this product to make sure it's on your roots and it's on your scalp.
I mostly use this one in the salon, and then I also use it at home. It's the Color Awakening hair bath from Innocence.
What is that?
It's kind of the middle of the road as far as cleansing. It's a foaming hair bath.
Okay.
It's my favorite shampoo. And you'll notice you can feel all the bubbles probably.
Yeah.
It gets super bubbly after you put the scrub on. because of the salt. The Color Radiance conditioner.
So you use that even though I don't have color?
Yep. The only thing different about it, other than the other ones, is that it has orange peel extract, which is like an extra protectant for the hair or if you have color. So yeah, you can use it even though you don't have color.
Miss Waller uses Innocence products, and these products revived my curls. I will get my hands on these as soon as I can, but for now, going to her is just a whole spa treatment. It's wonderful.
Hair because see how the water is just sitting on it and not absorbing. That's lower porosity hair.
That's good for that.
But
your videos.
If you take your product and you work it in there and push that water into that hair, it will go in there. It just takes a little bit more elbow grease to get it. Now it's absorbed. You just have to push the water in. With a lot of it with tighter curls is literally just like how you're putting it in your hair. You gotta really like have patience, do small sections, like do a lot of smoothing techniques.
Now that the leave-in and gel is dispersed throughout my hair, she's just making sure that everything is laying right. I asked to have more bangs in the front because I love my bangs being thick, so there's a volume. So here we are just separating it. She's making sure that there's no frizz. She makes sure that you have definition, so whenever she's done, you can have all the definition or you can separate your curls and have as much volume as you like. Here we are scrunching out the excess product and excess water so that we cut the drying time down. She had me under the dryer for a bit to get my hair 75% dry, and then she used the diffuser to get the rest of my hair to about 95% dry. This is so that the gel cast forms and my curls are locked in. The curls are popping and she has her scissors just to make sure any curls that are sticking out and aren't going with the shape are removed. So my hair is finished. This is the finished product. It's still a little wet. My hair takes forever to dry, but I'll show it later once it's more dry. But these curls look great. And my mom got some more videos. But I love it. My appointment took 2.5 hours, so of course my mom and I had to get some food afterwards. We decided to go to Soul Taco, which was just up the street. We loved the food. It was a mix between Korean and Mexican food. They had kimchi rice. I got tacos and my mom got a burrito. But my mom and I have never been to Horseshoe, Lake, and we just decided to pull in on the way home. It is beautiful. Yeah, we were rerouted because of accident, so we were taken off the highway. So now we're over here, and it is gorgeous. Wow. Guys, these are all like lily pads. But they're like all so tall. Oh, they're like taller than the water. So this is my hair later. It's fully dry. Of course, it is very defined, which isn't a problem. I prefer volume, but it's nice to have defined curls every once in a while. So that's what it looks like. But yeah, so I guess I'll end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Seeing how I got my hair cut and how people cut curly hair, if you don't already know. But I hope you have a good day. And I'm about to go get some veggies from my garden.